Welcome to another episode of cmdtyView Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to share a workspace with another cmdtyView user. This is a great way to share a customized workspace with a colleague, client, or another user on the cmdtyView platform. First, go to the workspace that you want to share. Right-click on that tab and select Share. That'll bring up this window. Click the copy button. This link has now been copied to your clipboard, which means you can paste the link in an email or into the integrated cmdtyView chat, and then send that link to the other user. Once the user receives the link, all they have to do is copy that link, open cmdtyView, go to the bottom of their screen, and right-click on any tab. Click Load, paste the link using Ctrl-V or right-click Paste, click the Load button, and the shared workspace loads into cmdtyView. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another episode of cmdtyView Tips and Tricks.